Go to that restaurant, you have to go down.
Okay. Here's the elevator at the Haywood Park Offices in Asheville, North Carolina. Look at this. Got ourselves a vintage Otis. And see, Otis, Cito. Let's go up to 4. 1963 Otis Black Button. Should go. Can't go to 4, only 3. Wow, insane classic leveling. 1. Well, actually, look at this. It's got a bumper. It's awesome. The doors just shut fast. And I'm being called up somewhere. Ah, the 3 button was stuck. One. Alright. And you're just hungry, huh? Well, there it goes. That's it. Alright, this is going to be the office elevator at Haywood Park. I'm taking another take of this for better quality. Amazing classic leveling. 1. Otis Black Buttons. Wow. Go up to 4 or 3. One. Watch this. Just gonna watch it. Look at the leveling. Zoom out. You know what? Watch this. There's your certificate, see? It says it was installed in 1963, June of that year. Otis. There's a call button. Listen. You can hear the relay clicking. All right, we'll give you and go down to 1. This is awesome. Not as awesome as the touch sensitive, but it's still a beauty. And since I already pushed 3, it's gonna go up, see? Buttons look nice. They're in really good shape. I'm gonna get off here. Look at that. And there it goes. Is it gonna go? There it goes. And that's it.